This is Rahim Shaikh, and I'm going to show you how to install vCenter 6.0 on virtual machine. So I have just added the installable media into the virtual machine as an ISO image. You could see in here, and it pops me for autoplay. So I'm just going to click autoplay.exe, and it is going to start the installation. After the click on install button, it will check your system for the prerequisites, so it will take some time for that, and then it will give you a wizard to start the installation. This is the first time or second time I'm going to do the installation for vCenter 6.0, so there might be few new things which I'm going to see. So I just thought of creating videos for my friends and followers who can take the benefit from this video. So I have already clicked on install button. It will as I'm using virtual machine with some 12 gigabyte of memory, so it's gonna take some time. It will check the media, and it will check the configuration of the virtual machine, and it will pop up the installation. So it's preparing for install. Okay, so here is the screen. Welcome to VMware vCenter Server 6.0.0 installer, and it's initializing the system. Okay, so here is the next button. I'm accepting the end user agreement. Okay, so here very important part is we have two types of deployment of vCenter server. One is embedded deployment, which will install the platform service as well as the vCenter server service on single box. If we have big environment which is running more than 500 virtual machines or more than that, we can separate the load, so it will balance the load across the two virtual machine or three virtual machine, all the physical servers. So as of now, I'm going to install the VM with embedded deployment. So I'm going to select the first one, but you can also go for VM host with the platform service somewhere installed. So you want to install a platform service, select the platform service, and it will install the platform service on that server. And if you want to install the vCenter server on another server, select the vCenter server on another server. As of now, I'm going to install both the things, so it will install both the services, platform services as well as the vCenter services on single box. Click on next button. It will ask for system name, so I'm just going to give the same name like Rahim underscore, I'm so sorry, vCenter 6.0. Come on, now it's saying I cannot use the dot in here, so I will say I cannot use underscore as well. It says it's not able to resolve the DNS, so just to give the workaround, as I don't use the DNS server, I am going to put the host file entry. Yeah, if you just have seen that, what I did is I just go to run and click on drivers. It will open the drivers folder in front of you. It's just a shortcut. So what I will do is I will put the IP address 3.214 tab. I'll put this name. Voila, we are done. I'll say next. Okay, saying use FKDN. That's all. Creating new virtual single sign-on domain. So it will create the new single sign-on domain. We don't have any existing single sign-on servers, so just click on next. Come on, yeah. So it's asking you for password. I'm using my magic password, which I put everywhere for test and dev. It's asking, do you want to create any service account? I will say use the Windows system account. I don't want any special service account. Do you have any database already created? I'm saying use embedded Postgres. Yeah, just very important point. Just wanted to tell you guys. Earlier VMware used to install Microsoft Express Edition SQL Server. Now they are using Postgres. Yeah, and that gives the same performance. Actually, I'll say it gives better performance than the Microsoft SQL Server. And these are the ports. I'm not gonna play around it, so I'll just keep the default port setting and I'll just hit on next button. Where do I need to install? I'll use the default and I'll just say next. This is the ready to install. This is the showing the configuration which I've selected. I just need to confirm it. Everything is fine. I'll just say install. This is gonna take a couple of minutes to install, and after that we are done with the vCenter 6.0. So here I'm going to pause the recording and I will start as soon as it's come back. So as of now it's processing the packages, and as soon as it started with the blue status bar, I will explain you what it's doing in further.